like to show you how to make homemade buttermilk biscuits. First you need to go and find some flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, lard, buttermilk, and a little bit of extra flour to dust with. Okay, so first I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so make sure to preheat your oven to 450 and mix your ingredients, your dry ingredients, so they're all nice and blended together. Now I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of cold lard, and you're going to want to smush these till they look like wet sand. Looking like it's just about there. I think that's probably good. You think? Alright. Now we're gonna add buttermilk. Make sure it's nice and shaken up. You don't want any weird chunks in it. This is 1 cup, by the way. You want to stir this really gently, because if you stir it too much, then it'll get, your dough will be really hard, and you don't want that. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to dust. Now we're going to dust this sheet so we can bring our powder on, so we can put our dough on it. Okay. Now that we've got that, we're going to take our dough and we're going to put it on the sheet. Now we're gonna pat it out to where it's about as thick as this. So the dough's about as thick as this. Now whenever you get about as thick as this, now you're going to want to take your dough and flip it over like that. That was a fail, but that's okay. We'll just put it back all together. And now you're gonna pat it back out and do that 6 times. Take a cookie cutter and make sure the bottom has flour on it. And now you're gonna make little tiny biscuit babies.